can reopen a closed tab with Control plus Shift plus T. Control Shift T reopens a closed tab. I'm sure all of you have been in that moment where you're closing a few things and you're like, oh shoot, I just closed that tab and I can't remember where it was and it's going to take me 30 minutes to find it again. Control Shift T reopens that closed tab. So sometimes I'm like, I don't even remember which one it was. So I'm just going to hit Control Shift T a billion times and open up all these different pages. So like I said, I'd love to open a ton of tabs, and now this is getting pretty annoyingly hard to read. So some people might say the answer is to close some tabs, but that's definitely not it. That you can't close any tabs. You need another option would be in Edge, you can go to Settings here. And I usually find it just by typing the word vertical over here. And you can see this says Show Vertical Tabs. So if I click that, I have now moved all of these tabs from the top to the side. And I can even make them a little wider. So if they're longer, I can like read the whole names, which has made it a lot easier to me to deal with Windows with a lot of tabs.